And then I watched another video, and this guy was saying that, you know, to keep retention on your videos, you need to go and do the hook loop. I thought to myself, hook loop? And he explained, you know, if you ask a question in the beginning, in your introduction, you keep your audience until the end so you get more view hours. So yeah, that made perfect sense. And then it just dawned on me. I thought to myself, clickbait, hook loop, a hook and bait. You use those to catch fishes. But how on earth are viewers now fish? Then I started watching videos about titles. And then in my own mind, I thought to myself, this must be the real, because, you know, once they have clicked and once you have hooked them, you reel them in because they think about this title of yours and the content, and you're adding value and all of that. So if having a YouTube channel is about fishing, then I know exactly what to do.